Hello, welcome to Relief Medical Group and our 4-course system. I'm Ed Cremata and I'm the Nursing and Rehabilitation Coordinator at Relief Medical Group. Within our 4-course system and under the Function Better, we talk about using acoustic compression. And acoustic compression is a treatment of essentially just sound waves that go through the skin. It's a little bit like ultrasound, it's just a lot more powerful. It's about 1,000 times more powerful. But again, it's not a painful procedure, but it's extremely effective for many different things. We have videos out there showing how acoustic compression is used for very chronic musculoskeletal conditions very effectively, like tennis elbow, shoulder tendinopathy, plantar fasciitis, heel pain, things like that. But what some people don't know is it can be used for cosmetic reasons and specifically for cellulite reduction. There's a lot of programs out there, you can look through the internet, that talk about what they can do for cellulite, but a lot of the programs are just temporary fixes that will hide the look of cellulite, but it doesn't really change the underlying condition. Acoustic compression or the shockwave therapy is actually very different. We recognize what the cause of cellulite is, and it's a breakdown of the collagen of the connective tissue, usually in the backs of the legs and the buttocks is where you see it a lot. And then you end up with some fat coming through and the dimpling effect that people just don't like. With a 7-visit program that's relatively inexpensive, you can come in and you can have acoustic compression done to actually help to rebuild that collagen. It helps to break down the old stretched connective tissue, and it helps to build a stronger, more elastic, and more effective and more youthful structure for that region. There's good evidence on that. If you go to the website, you can see some of the evidence and some of the articles at reliefmedicalgroup.com. And certainly if you have any questions about how shockwave works or how it might work for you, what the effectiveness may be, I'm happy to give you resources and references so you can look into it. And of course, I'm happy to talk to you personally to answer any of your specific questions about using acoustic compression or shockwave therapy for the reduction of cellulite. Again, the reduction of the cause of the cellulite is very different than doing something just that makes it look differently. Because since you're changing the underlying structure, the effects can last a long time, even up to 2 or 3 years in many cases. So it's a more permanent effect. And many people that have had it are extremely happy with it. So feel free to call me. If you want to call me directly on my cell phone number is 510-913-1366, and we can talk more about your specific needs, or you can call the office at 510-796-2225. Thanks so much for listening.